If your garbage disposal switch is busted or the wiring's acting up, it's totally normal for the unit to have no power and just sit there silent. Alright, so first off, always make sure the power is completely turned off before you start poking around with any switches or wiring. Safety first, you know? Next, grab a voltage tester to check if the switch is actually getting power. If it's not, you might have a wiring issue upstream. If the switch itself feels loose or looks burnt out, it's probably time to replace it. These switches aren't too pricey and pretty easy to swap. When you replace the switch, make sure you match the old one's amperage and voltage rating so everything stays safe. Also, check the wiring connections in the switch box for any loose or frayed wires. Tightening or replacing those can fix the problem too. Don't forget to look at the actual disposal unit's reset button. Sometimes it just needs a quick press after power is restored. If you're not super comfy messing with electrical stuff, it's definitely worth calling a pro to avoid any shocks or bigger headaches. Lastly, once everything's back in place, test the switch a couple of times to make sure your disposal powers up smoothly without any flickering or interruptions. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garbage disposal no power issues is skipping the safety step and forgetting to turn off the circuit breaker, which can lead to serious shock risks. Always shut off power first. Another common problem is assuming the disposal itself is dead when it's actually just a faulty switch or loose wiring. Testing with a voltage meter saves you from wasting cash on a new unit. Third, folks often overlook checking the reset button on the disposal. Pressing that can bring your unit back to life without any electrical work. Fix these by always cutting power before starting, using a voltage tester to pinpoint where the issue really is, and pressing that reset button before deciding on bigger repairs or replacements. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It's like having a reliable buddy who already did the homework for you. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with people who actually need your skills nearby.